My understanding of Article 19 is that the freedom of speech and the freedom of the media is not absolute. It is subject to restrictions which are mentioned in Article 19.
And
one
those
of the,
are what restrictions?
Sir, it is number one, any reasonable restrictions which are imposed by law, that's second, and that can be in the interest of the glory of Islam or integrity, security of defense of Pakistan, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency or morality, contempt of court, and commission or incitement of offense.
What does decency or morality mean? Let's start with decency. What's your understanding?
Sir, in simple
Your
language,
understanding.
abusive language is, I think, one form of indecency which the press should avoid.
Avoid.
Ji, ji.
Avoid. What does avoid mean?
It should not use, sir.
Why can't you use plain language? I mean, I'm very surprised. We are using words avoid. One thing is don't do something, one thing is avoid doing something.
They should not do it, sir. They should.
Okay, so that's, you think they shouldn't abuse?
I think that's a very important starting point, because I think decency is shown by the language you use. I mean, अगर तहजीब पे होते हुए क्रिटिसिज्म किया जाए तो वो भी एक्सेप्टेबल होता है. इट इज द लैंग्वेज विच इज यूज्ड.
And what does morality mean? Your understanding of it?
सर, एक तो ये है कि when it comes to the freedom of speech, I think one of the central principles of morality would be कि knowingly झूठ ना बोला जाए. Telling the truth, I think, is a central principle of morality when applied to the press and media. I think knowingly, maliciously, I think जिसे हम language में कहते हैं false news, that should not be spread.
And what about half truth? What about half truth?
सर, अगर आपको मालूम है एक चीज हाफ ट्रूथ है और आप वो knowingly, intentionally, तो that would also be a lie.
It has to be a complete truth.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
ये हो सकता है आपकी
So
interpretation.
you mean to say
जी.
your restriction of morality is a very limited one?
No, I said this is the starting point and an important start.
Please elaborate on it.
जी. So that is something I would say as a first step. First cheese, language. Second cheese, that knowingly झूठ ना बोला जाए. There can be a difference of opinion about a set of facts. I think as far as I think this would, to me, be the two central principles as far as freedom of speech and the press freedom is concerned. ये दो central principles हैं, sir.
No, they are two separate things. Don't confuse the
जी जी sir जी.
freedom of speech. Otherwise, there was no need to put the words, and there shall be freedom of the press.
जी जी
So freedom of speech is your freedom of
जी
speech.
जी
Press freedom is dealt with separately.
जी 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 जी.
They're two separate things.
जी.
Because your freedom of speech may be heard only in this room.
जी.
Or if you're talking to someone else in another room, it will be heard by those present in that room. But when the press comes in
जी जी
and repeats what you said,
जी
that's a altogether different
जी
matter.
जी.
Oh, what can we do? Mr. Faisal Siddiqui abused the other lawyer and called him a thief and a crook.
जी.
We were just reporting. That would be all right? That would be all right, according to you?
Sir, I think
I'm giving you a precise example. You go into the bar room and you tell another lawyer that you are a crook and you're a thief. And now there's your freedom of expression and now freedom of the press. The pressman is sitting there, overhears you, and he runs this on his channel. Is that freedom of the press permissible or not?
Sir, it will all depend.
I've given you a precise example.
It will all depend on whether it serves the public interest or not. So
I've
it will
given you a
depend.
precise example. Abusing serves the public interest. Please say yes, then we'll proceed.
Sir,
Said you
abusing
abused
doesn't.
him and you called a lawyer a thief.
Sir, it all depends who called it.
You.
Who it's
Mr.
called.
Siddiqui, you.
Ji.
You call another lawyer in the bar room that you are a crook and a thief
Yes.
and a media person.
Sir,
Relays it. It's not too difficult
Yes,
a question.
yes.
Now,
Sir.
maybe we need to travel to America to find the answer.
No, I don't think that would be newsworthy because I'm a
I'm
nobody.
not asking you. I'm not, please. I'm not asking you. You're such a senior counsel. It's
Ji.
very newsworthy.
Ji.
Mr. Faisal
Nahi, nahi,
Siddiqui
nahi,
called
sir.
Mr. X a crook and a thief, and that poor Mr. X reputation is now down the drain.
Ji.
And the media says, what can we do? We just do our job of reporting. It's not our job to ascertain the truth. If Mr. Siddiqui has called him a crook and a thief, he is one. So that's your defense.
No, I would say,
You're not answering the question even.
sir, my answer to the question is that the news media can report even an
I've given you
allegation.
a precise thing.
Ji, ji.
Let's focus. We'll come to the generalities. We've read the generalities.
I don't
now
think-
I'm using your own example. Let's see how you feel about
I think that would
it. Or
come.
it could be you are on the receiving end.
No, I think it
I didn't
would-
want to say that,
No,
but
no.
Ji.
I think that would not come. That would come within the ambit of a violation of the Pembra Electronic Media Code
I've
of
not even
Conduct.
asked you that. I didn't ask you that
Ji,
at
ji,
all.
ji.
We are concerned with the freedom of the press.
Ji.